welcome to Ravenwood Rod Shop. We're here in Cortez, Colorado, down here in the Four Corners. Altitude's about 6,250 feet, so adjusting carburetors is a little tricky up here, especially when you have a radical cam or anything with low vacuum like this one behind me. Join this fat man, and I'll be working on this fat 66 Chevrolet Impala. Okay, it's an older car, but it's still newer than I am. Okay, currently has a big block 454 in it, all redone real nice. Manual transmission, posi rear end, high gears, all the good stuff. Okay, we're going to add to it in our very first YouTube video an Edelbrock throttle body system. Now they just came out with, this last year, 2025 SEMA show, introduced an EZ Street EFI system. Okay, it's basically a throttle body that looks like a giant carburetor, looks like a big Holley double pumper. Okay, mounts onto your standard manifold. It's a 4150 flange type manifold. Okay, has an automatic smart learning system, links to your Android phone or your Android tablet. I think they also have a link where it can Bluetooth to your Apple phones. I happen to be using the Android system, so the other thing that they do offer also is several different fuel options, because the standard fuel pressure on a regular engine manual fuel pump isn't enough to do it. However, you can still use that and get their separate fuel sump unit that mounts right up here under the hood. It's fed by your manual fuel pump, okay, and then it produces the high volume, high pressure that the throttle body requires to run correctly. Another option that they sell and they have is an external fuel pump that goes back by the fuel tank and pushes the fuel up to the throttle body. And it comes with filters and lines and all that. Okay, those are the two options they offer. The other option is to go with an in-tank, like current model cars and trucks, fuel pump, an electric fuel pump. Okay, that's what I'll be running. I got a tank, brand new tank, bigger tank for this car, 24 gallon, with an in-tank fuel pump, an electric fuel pump, and the filters and regulators and filters and all that stuff that goes with it. Okay, got that from tanks.com. They have a great company, and they sell everything you need for it. The fuel pump, all the hookups, okay, the fuel pump itself, the tank, and the tank straps. So because it's a bigger fuel tank, you need to have the straps with it anyway, so it makes sense. So follow along with this fat man working on this fat Chevrolet, and we're going to get this thing hopefully driving a little easier up here in the mountains. The big cam that it's got, it struggles if it changes altitude very much, and I drive it to car shows all over town, all over the state, so altitudes vary depending on where I'm going. So stick around.